Hello everybody, my name is Dillon and today I'm going to create a business company that will progress the payroll system that will progress through the app program called the Saurus Payroll 2018. So as you see, my company name is called Jojo Limited Dillon, and I'm going to use my current college company address. And I'm going to go next because I have my details put in. The registration number for the employer is going to be 2777056H. And next, the password is going to be pass. So click that and then click finish. Click monthly because I'm going to do months in a row. And if you're going to do the source in your very first time, you go to continue free trial, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in the passwords, which is pass. The company name, the startup information is ready, so I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to click OK again. Just in case you need an email address of recovery, just put it in, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click cancel. So number one, that's where you can add in the details and the permanent details of the current employees, like for example tax credits or addresses. This is to create an import file for something like a P2C file. This is to enter the hours and the overtime and the extra additions of the employee. This is to preview the current payroll. They can see the current payroll system of the employee. This, number 5, is to update and progress through the next month or week when you're finished with the one that you're doing right now. And number 6, when you want to print out an email, a payslip, you click here. So that is mainly all what you have to do for the Saurus when you're creating your employee records and details. So to start off, go to number 1, which is over here, and then click number 1. Or start, month number is going to be 1. Number 1 is to click OK. Yes. The first employee is going to be Joseph Murray, 3 O'Connell Street, Raleigh. Dublin 2. Date of birth is going to be 25th of May 1978. PPS number is going to be 325 677 1K. Hourly rate is going to be 2,912 and 25. I'm going to click check for the pay methods. So that's basically all for Joseph Murray for personal details. Now let's go to check the revenue details, which is here. It says here that he's going to be emergency, so click on the box. If he is employed already, just click OK. That's very important if you need to add in something. So yeah, I need to have a registration number, a start date of employment, and the pay frequency and the work number. Right, so the PRCI class is going to be A1. That's revenue details complete. Additions. We don't need any additions for the moment, so deductions. The additions for Joseph Murray for BHI, the allowable deduction is going to be here. That is going to be 132.00. Non-allowable is trade union. That is now going to be just €30. And then the other non-allowable deduction is going to be social club. That is going to be just 10. So that's deductions finished. So that's mainly what I have to put in the details right now. So now I'm going to click update. Yep. Joseph Murray has been successfully updated. So now let's move on to the next employee. This one is going to be Joan Harvey. Her address is going to be 33 Canal Street. Right there. That is going to be us in Dublin number 6. Oh, PPS. Oh, but yeah, PPS number is going to be 28814288B. Date of birth, that is going to be 25th of July 1986. Our monthly basic wage is simply going to be 43,850. Now that's personal detail, it's finished. I'll click check as well. Now into revenue details. She's not going to be emergency, so I will edit the rest of these details right here. Start date, that is going to be 1st of January, 1st of 1, 2018. Forget about the date, it doesn't really matter, so go with the tax credit, which that is going to be 4,200. The cut-off point is going to be 43,850. PRSI class is going to be A1. The cut-off rates, and we'll have to use them. Once they're inputted, click OK. Right, so that's it. Revenue details is done, so go in deductions. She does have pension, that is going to be 7%, so just 7, and then tick the box, and then click on RAC. Deduction is going to be VHI, that is going to be 138.50. Click update, and update that, and then go into the clock. I'm going to start off with Joseph Murray. His base extra hours is going to be for month 1, 20 hours of time and a half. Double time is going to be 7 hours. Additions, most expensive, which is non-allowable, that is going to be 122. So once that's done, we just click on update file, and there you go, the current payslip. So if you're happy to print that out, you just go into number 6 of the record and then print the payslip. So I'm going to now go back to monthly input and then do Joan Harvey's time record. Right, for Joan Harvey, she doesn't have any double time or time and a half, so let's go into additions. She has a bonus, and that is €85. She also has commission, and that is going to be 200. That's that. We'll update the file. So that's it. Now I'm going to preview the payslip. Now as you can see here, if you're happy to print that out, just click on print. So that's the current payslip of their taxable gross, the hours rate, the net pay, and the payments. And you can email them there. You can copy it, or you can just click HTML. Well, that's it. So that's how to preview your payroll. So that's going to click close. So month 1 is basically finished. So now I'm going to click number 5, and I'm going to update this. Yep, I'm going to update it. 31st of January 2018. Update. Then I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to go into desktop. I'm going to click payroll month 1. Now open, and then you can save all your records into that. Then your backup will be successfully backed up. So month 1 is basically finished. So now it's going to be month number 2. Now as for month number 2, you don't have to edit number 1 or add any details. So I'm going to go into number 3. Now as for Joseph Murray, his time and a half hours is going to be changed into 14. His double time is going to be 8 hours. And then he has a commission of €105. And then he has out expenses, which is there, but the price is going to be changed into €180. Then click update. Then that's it. Go back to monthly input and then go to John Harvey. She is going to be in commission, so get rid of bonus. Her commission is going to be 295. So update that file. Then preview the payslip. As you can see here, it's all changed in. So that's basically it. I'm going to update the next video and move on into the third month, which is month 3, and then do the last bit. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video very well. Hope you learned all this, and I hope you kept a close eye for what I did. So thank you all for watching. Thank you. Adios.